Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Let's learn about cows. Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Give. Sleep. Barn. Tell. Conversation.
Let's learn about cows. Where can you see a cow?
On a farm.
What does a cow do on a farm?
It gives milk.
Where does it sleep?
In a barn.
What is a baby cow called?
Calf.
You know a lot about cows.
My grandfather has cows. He told me about them.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
Let's learn about cows. Where can you see a cow?
On a farm.
What does a cow do on a farm?
It gives milk.
Where does it sleep?
In a barn.
What is a baby cow called?
Calf.
You know a lot about cows.
My grandfather has cows. He told me about them.
Word quiz. Give. Tell. conversation quiz. What did Max say?
Where can you see a cow?
On a farm. It gives milk. What did Lily say?
Where does it sleep?
In a barn. He told me about them.
What did Lily say?
What is a baby cow called?
My grandfather has cows. Calf.
You did it. You are superstar. Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.